Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you the best Shopify apps for reviews. So let's get started. Customer reviews can make or break your store. They give shoppers the confidence they need to hit that buy button. But with so many review apps out there, how do you choose the right one? So in this video, I'll be helping you in choosing the best app for reviews for your Shopify store. So the first one on our list is Yotpo, the all-in-one review solution. So this app is great for more than just text reviews. It also allows for photo reviews, which are super effective in today's visual world. Yotpo even offers SEO-friendly features, helping your reviews show up on Google. And the best part, you can easily customize widgets to blend seamlessly with your store's look. So Yotpo has two paid plans, but there is a free option right here for stores with up to 50 orders per month. So if you want an all-in-one solution, Yotpo is definitely worth checking out with. And now the second one would be Judge.me. This app is fantastic because it allows you to send unlimited review requests, a great feature for maximizing feedback. What's cool about Judge.me is that customers can leave reviews directly from their email inbox, making it super simple process. Plus, you get social sharing tools to post reviews across platforms. It also has a free forever plan, complete with SEO snippets if you want to grow your reviews without breaking the bank. Judge.me is a solid pick if you are looking for a free reviews app. And now coming in at number 3 would be Looks, which is perfect if your brand relies on visuals like fashion, beauty, or home decor. Looks specializes in photo reviews, and it even automates the entire review process by sending out requests after purchase. If you're switching platforms, Looks is also allowing you for easy review imports. So if visuals drive your sales, Looks could be the perfect app for you. But the only downside that I can see with this one is it doesn't have the free plan available, but don't worry, its paid plan is very worth it. And now the fourth one on our list is Temp.io. This app supports text, photo, and even video reviews for a well-rounded approach to customer feedback. It's especially helpful with its built-in Q&A feature where potential buyers can ask previous customers about their experience. It also integrates with loyalty programs, allowing you to offer rewards for reviews. There's a free plan available along with a 7-day free trial for the paid plans. And now, last but not the least, we have Review, a cost-effective choice for new and smaller stores. Despite being budget-friendly, Review offers text and photo reviews as well as Q&A features. You can also import reviews from other platforms and benefit from SEO snippets. For a free plan, it's packed with features, making Review ideal for anyone just starting out. So now it's time for you to decide. When choosing a review app, think about the specific needs of your store. Do you need advanced features like video reviews or social sharing, or are you just looking for a simple, affordable solution? Each of these apps offers free trials, so take advantage of those to see what works best for you. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.